Hello student of class 9. Today's class I will explain you area of parallelogram and triangles exercise 9.3 part 1. Part 1 means from question number 1 to 4. I will explain you in this part. This exercise is based on the theorem a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Median divides the triangle into two triangles, of equal areas. Now the first question in figure, this is the figure 9.23. E is any point on median AD. AD is the median, D is the midpoint, and E is any point, not midpoint, E is any point on median AD. If triangle of triangle ABC, show that area of triangle ABE, this one, and triangle ACE, this one, these two triangles are equal. Area of these two triangles are equal. We have to prove that. Now, D is the midpoint. So, is my median of a triangle. This is the theorem you have to write. Median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. So in triangle ABC, AD is the median. So therefore area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. ABD is equal ACD. It is the first relation. Second relation in triangle EBC, this one. Again ED is the median, D is the midpoint, so it is median. ED is the median and it divides the triangle in equally two areas. So two triangles of equal areas. So area of triangle EBD is equal to area of triangle ECD. ECD and EBD. This is the second relation. Now subtracting from 2, subtracting 2 from 1, we get now this side area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle EBD. ABD minus EBD. Simple, it is ABE. This part is getting. So this minus this is equal to, now right hand side area of triangle ACD minus area of triangle ECD is equal to area of triangle ACE. So therefore area of triangle this is equal to area of triangle ACE. Proved. Second question, in a triangle ABC, E is the midpoint of median AD. Show that area of triangle BED is equal 1/4 of ABC. Median of a triangle, again you have to write the theorem. The median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Now in triangle ABC, ABC is the triangle, AD is the median. So therefore median on BC, therefore area of triangle ABD is equal to half of area of triangle ABC. In triangle ABD, this one, E is the median on AD. So therefore it is BED, this triangle is equal to half of area of triangle ABD. This one is half of this. Now here you substitute the value of, from here we have got ABD is equal to half ABC. That we have got from first equation, first relation. So you substitute this value. Instead of ABD you write a half area of ABC. It is 1/4 area of ABC. Therefore hence area of triangle BED is equal to 1/4 area of triangle ABC. Proved. Next question is, show that the diagonals of a parallelogram divides it into four triangles of equal area. ABCD is a diagonal, AC and BD are two diagonals. ABCD is a parallelogram. So, okay. And AC and BD are two diagonals divided into 4 equal parts. We have to prove. So, diagonal AC and BD of parallelogram ABCD intersect each other at point O. In triangle ABC, half of this part you take. So, okay. O is the midpoint of AC. Okay. And OB is the median which divides the triangle ABC into 2 equal areas. Therefore, triangle AOB is equal to triangle COB. These two triangles are equal is the first relation. Similarly, in triangle ADC, upper one. So, okay. OD is the median, therefore area of triangle AOD and COD, these two areas are equal. Again, AO is the median of ABD. AO is the median of ABD. So, okay, ABD. So, therefore, area of triangle ABO and ADO, these are equal. So, area of triangle AOD is equal to area of triangle AOB. Now, this is 3 relation you check. It is AOB is equal COB and AOD is equal to COD and AOD is equal to AOB. That means these all are equal to each other. So, okay. So, there from 1, 2 and 3 we have got area of triangle. These 4 triangles are equal areas. Therefore, it is proved. Okay. Hence, the diagonals of the parallelogram divides it into 4 triangles of equal areas. Last question of this part, it is question number 4. In this figure, ABC and ABD, ABC and ABD, these are 2 triangles. Okay. On the same base AB, if line segment CD is bisected by AB at O, that means CD is bisected, not AB. So, it is OC is equal to OD. Okay. So, that triangle ABC is area of triangle ABC is equal area of triangle ABD. Okay. Now, AB bisects CD at O. So, OC is equal to OD. Okay. Now, in triangle ACD, this portion. So, okay. O is the midpoint. So, AO is the median. Therefore, area of triangle AOC is equal AOD. These 2 triangles are equal in area. It is the first relation. Similarly, BCD, this tie. So, okay. OB is the median. Okay. As it is 2 are equal and O is the midpoint. So, OD is the median. Therefore, area of triangle BOC is equal to BOD. This is second relation we have got. Okay. Now, on adding first equation and second equation or a relation, we can get it area of triangle AOC plus area of triangle BOC. So, okay, left hand side to left hand side, it is AOB plus AOC and BOC. These 2 triangle together is ABC, area of triangle ABC. And the right hand side, area of triangle AOD plus area of triangle BOD is together area of triangle ABD. Okay. So, that we have also proved here. Hence, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ABD. Proved it is. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and like the video. In next video, I will explain next 4 questions. Thank you.